High Courts of India. The High Courts of India play a vital role in the country's judicial system, serving as the highest courts in each state and union territory (UT), with the exception of some smaller UTs. Here's a brief note on the High Courts of India. Jurisdiction: each High Court has jurisdiction over its respective state or UT. They are the highest judicial authority within their territorial limits and have the power to hear appeals, petitions, and original cases arising within their jurisdiction. Composition: High Courts are composed of a Chief Justice and several puisne judges, the number of which is determined by the President of India. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. Powers and functions: High Courts have broad powers and functions, including hearing appeals from subordinate courts within their jurisdiction, issuing writs such as habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, and quo warranto to enforce fundamental rights and check administrative actions, adjudicating constitutional matters and interpreting laws, supervising the lower judiciary within their jurisdiction, conducting disciplinary proceedings against judicial officers. Role in Indian judicial system: High Courts play a crucial role in upholding the rule of law, protecting fundamental rights, and ensuring access to justice for citizens. They act as guardians of the Constitution and serve as bulwarks against arbitrary exercise of power by the executive and legislative branches. Appeals to the Supreme Court: decisions of High Courts can be appealed to the Supreme Court of India, the highest judicial authority in the country. However, the Supreme Court's jurisdiction to hear appeals from High Courts is discretionary and primarily limited to cases involving substantial questions of law or matters of national importance. Bench system: some larger states have multiple benches or circuits of their High Court to cater to different regions within the state. These benches function as separate entities but are still part of the same High Court. Overall, the High Courts of India play a pivotal role in the administration of justice, ensuring the protection of rights and liberties enshrined in the Constitution, and upholding the principles of democracy and the rule of law. The names of the High Courts of India: Allahabad High Court, Andhra Pradesh High Court, Bombay High Court, Calcutta High Court, Chhattisgarh High Court, Delhi High Court, Guwahati High Court, Gujarat High Court, Himachal Pradesh High Court, Jammu and Kashmir High Court, Jharkhand High Court, Karnataka High Court, Kerala High Court, Madhya Pradesh High Court, Madras High Court, Manipur High Court, Meghalaya High Court, Orissa High Court, Patna High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Rajasthan High Court, Sikkim High Court, Telangana High Court, Tripura High Court, Uttarakhand High Court,